Nice staff and convenient location. I thought this was a great location and it has some nice views of the marina. We are from Abu Dhabi and like to visit Dubai on weekends as groups, so this was absolutely perfect. And the staff was super nice, like every single one of them. Stay at City Premiere, Dubai Marina. Location of the hotel is very great. We as a family stayed for a week, and we really loved. Staff are very friendly and person to mention especially is Suresh. From the hotel it was easy access to Dubai Marina, Marina Beach, Palm Jumeirah etc. We stayed in 2 BHK flat, and we had good space for all 4 of us in the family. Thank you City Premiere. Great staff. Umar is very hard-working and helpful. He and all staff are friendly. Abid very welcome. L9 Bayat here. Great staff. Umar is very hard-working and helpful. He and all staff are friendly. Abid very welcome. L9 Bayat here. Incredible value, great staff. I travel more than 180 days a year and I rarely take time to write a review. The price, the size of the apartment, the service, the marina views, the large gym all make this place really great value. Thanks to everyone who made our stay wonderful. Highly recommended. Great location. Spacious room. Best value for money. Rooms are clean. Gym are well equipped. Very friendly and helpful staff. Definitely coming back. Great staff's good value for money. Fab location. We stayed here for 4 nights in April in one of the 3-bedroom apartments, 16th floor, apartment 2. There was 6 of us, which included our 4 young daughters. The apartment was so spacious and the beds were very comfortable. The aircon was also really good. The location was amazing, right on the marina with a balcony directly of the open plan living space in another one of the master bedroom. There was a large green space directly adjacent to the hotel which was great for our children to play on. Overall it was a fantastic stay from us and we will definitely return again. Fantastic. We liked everything about Pearl Marina. The apartment was spacious, spotlessly clean and all the staff helpful and friendly. The pool was excellent. We only went to the beach once. Can't wait to go back. Thank you to all the staff. Best marina view ever, good for family with children. Best marina view ever, good for family with children. The best, it was amazing and the hotel is like a dream. And super clean. Definitely the best one yet. A special thanks. Thanks for Mr. Mirza from reception for his amazing assistance, and also thanks for Mr. Abdulwahid the bill boy and for all other staff, they were very professional. Best place to stay, kids loves the place, and we will rebook again for the next time. Nice view with easy to access shops and restaurants. Excellent nice view, guest friendly, clean, good staff. Excellent nice view, guest friendly, clean, good staff. Perfect location, great staff. Spent a week here and couldn't have enjoyed it more. Great location, huge apartment with a fantastic view on the marina. Staff very friendly and helpful. Organized a PCR test that we needed for our trip home, and couldn't have been more professional. We will be back. Great apartments. Spacious accommodation, clean and very helpful staff. Fantastic location right on the marina, close to everything you want plus close to the metro. Second time here, will definitely return provided there is availability. Great hotel, very nice hotel. Professional staff, Mr. Abdul Rahman, front desk, amazing location. Checks all boxes, smile. We stayed in the 3-bedroom apartment and I wouldn't mind staying here on a full-time yearly basis. The rooms are spacious and comfortable, the balcony is massive and would be great to hang out during winters. The location is amazing too, close to supermarkets, the marina walk and the mall.